Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and preparing the bottle. Look for cracks, warped seals, or dirt. Once done, rinse with clean water and a mild detergent and then sanitize if needed. This prevents odors and bacteria. Next, choose filtered or cooled boiled water to fill. Pour slowly to avoid splashes and pressurized overflow. Make sure the cap threads line up before tightening. Cross-threading ruins seals. This first step sets hygiene and flow control, so do it carefully. You now move to handling and dispensing. Once filled, test the balance by lifting with the strap or handle, keeping the bottle close to your center. Make sure straps are secure to prevent drops. When pouring, open the vent or secondary spout first to allow air in. This prevents glugging and splashes. Tilt slowly and aim. Support the base with your other hand as you near empty because weight shifts. These techniques protect your back, minimize spills, and give a steady flow every time. You finish by maintaining and handling common issues. Clean the bottle weekly with a brush and mild detergent. Rinse and air dry upside down to stop mold. Once done, inspect seals and caps, replace any that crack or leak. A simple leak test saves messes on the road. If you notice persistent smells, soak in a baking soda solution or a diluted vinegar soak overnight, then rinse well. If problems continue, retire the bottle. Your health and convenience are worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.